Just had a white Mustang running red light off of it. Push them and fluid drive. Fuck, make stop on.
Conquered. And it's in your location. Street 301 440.
We going westbound on I-440, light traffic speeds are 110 miles an hour. DOHC blacked out.
I got it.
Still westbound on I-440, light traffic speeds are 150 miles an hour.
Sarge, we're coming by the Valero operation. Push down.
Still westbound on I-440. He's still blacked out. He's way ahead of me. See if I can get him fucked up.
Attention, real good. Here's the action, please. Attention, got it. 801, what are your charges? What kind of vehicle is it?
801 for reckless driving. He's way ahead of me. I lost sight of him. Being reckless driving, so white Ford Mustang. I don't know. I wasn't able to get the OP in on it. Last seen going westbound on I-440. Coming up to the post gun exit.
All right, guys, so welcome back. Thank you for hanging out, spending a few moments here with me. If you're new, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. Now, I'm not going to take up too much of your time because I want to show you guys another chase right after this. And yeah, as soon as I heard that exhaust from that Mustang GT, I knew it was going to be game over. Typically, when you hear an exhaust like that, you know it's likely some kind of a bolt-on or a tuned vehicle with at minimum a catback exhaust or some kind of exhaust work. So he's probably got a couple extra horsepower, and that officer just really had no chance whatsoever. Really, the chase was likely over in the first 15 to 20 seconds that this guy made contact with that Mustang GT. Now, in case you weren't paying attention, he ran a red light. The officer was trying to pull him over to kind of ticket him. And yeah, basically said, nope, not today, jumped on the highway, and that was the end of that chase. So without talking your ear off too much, let's take a look at the second chase.
Solid 50-0, we just saw the vehicle directly off at 6th Street.
So there it is, guys. A couple of Mustangs end up getting away. Now, I know a handful of the videos that I will be uploading are a little bit on the older side. I personally don't give a crap. My goal is to get a library of really vehicles that consist of the best chases out there, escapes and whatnot. So whether something's old or brand new, it's irrelevant to me. So I do apologize in advance to anybody out there that may have seen some of the chases that I've been uploading or have uploaded. My goal is seriously just to go out and get the best chases for you guys to kind of sit there, watch, and really enjoy. And that's really just my goal, you know. I would like for you guys to really just marathon my videos and know that it's going to be entertaining. So whether it's old, new, it's irrelevant to me. So with that being said, if you guys come across anything entertaining or, you know, maybe worth me taking a look at, shoot me a message, RTLife_397 on Instagram, and I'll take a look at it. With that being said, guys, I'll check you on the next upload.
Your location.